morning. Welcome to another edition of Midlife Rising. My name is Greg, and today I did research and found a spot I wasn't actually planning on doing, but I saw on the trail vlogs that people go hiking up here, so it is legal. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go hiking up this called Observatory Hill. It's actually federal government land here, and what I'm going to do is just go up there, observatory on top. So I'm going to check it out and make sure. I will say, before you do come up here, you have to either stay on the road or stay on a maintained trail. Do not walk off trails. It has to be either one or the other. Do not go off trailing up here. That is prohibited. One of the beauties of this vlog is it forces me to be active. Today I was just gonna chill and take it easy. Thankfully that didn't happen. I saw it was pretty outside. I saw there's sunshine all around. And I knew I had to get out and explore, because that's what life's all about, exploring. You know, I could have relaxed, but sometimes that's not the correct answer. Actually, most times that's not the correct answer. Try to make the most of life while you have it. That's what I'm intending to do at this hike right now. So thank you for all your support. It means a lot, and I appreciate it so much. All right, get back to the vlog. Hope you enjoy it. Hopefully get you some good views, see some cool stuff. Alrighty, take care. Okay, before I continue on this vlog, I just want to thank you guys. Again, probably gonna chill today, but it was a beautiful day, and like I always say, a beautiful day, you got to capitalize on it, and I did. Walked up to Observatory Hill, which is the first summit of 2024. I know it took a long time for that to happen, but you know, weather, priorities, a lot of other things happen. This is only the first unique summit. I mean, technically you call the two hills I did earlier, those are quote unquote summits, but this is the first unique summit of 2024. It's a beautiful one. Great views from the top here. It is an observatory, and it is a government place. If you do go hiking up here, you better stay on trail. But it's beautiful. There's a lot of restoration going on here. There's a lot of good parks and picnics, and you can walk right up the road. Nice walk, takes it easy to get up here, enjoy the views, enjoy the sunshine. Also got a good view of downtown Victoria through some of the trees. Just an awesome place to enjoy. Really, I'm so glad I have this vlog. I'm so glad I have you to join me and to put me to give myself sometimes out of my own comfort zone. This is well worth it, and one of those fun things, you know, you don't ever think about it until you actually do it. All right, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. You enjoyed the observatory. It looks like a traditional observatory. From what I've seen, signs, we're back to 1916, and we'll see what goes on. I'm going to do some more research on it. I'll get some more into the feed. Alrighty, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Take care. See ya. Bye. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. A couple notes of the Observatory Hill. There are markings that there's trails here. I honestly don't know what those boundaries are. I'm not going to put them on there. I just walked from the bottom to the top and bottom view the road, and I advise that for people. There was a trail I saw, but bunch of trails I saw, but nothing was really clearly marked saying do not trespass. It also wasn't clearly marked that you were okay to do it. So I'm just going to say, if you do head to this thing, use caution and do your research. Staying on the road is the safest bet. It's critical to stay on the road. As I said, most of the stuff in this vlog will feature only road travel. If you do come up here, it is a nice road walk up, road walk back, roughly about, you know, not too far, not too long, easy to get to, easy up. Should be known that most of the facilities up here are closed, so keep that in mind if you're traveling. Alrighty, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like the video, and I'll give you a link to the observatory website. Therefore, you have all the information before you go. It does talk about something about some kind of trail. I don't know too much details on that. I'm going to look up more information. I'll get it to you. Alrighty, take care. See you.